Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a community in Kajabi step by step. First, log into your Kajabi account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Products tab. Here, you will find the option to create a new product. Select Community to begin building your interactive space. This initial setup is crucial for defining your community's purpose and attracting your ideal members. We will walk through each step to ensure a smooth and effective launch for your online hub. To start, click on New Product and choose Community, then Get Started. You will then name your community. This title will also form part of its URL. Next, craft a brief yet inviting description and upload an eye-catching cover image to represent your brand. The next critical step is creating your first access group. Decide if this group will be free or paid, which automatically generates an offer in Kajabi. Click Save and Finish to complete this foundational stage. Now, let's make your community truly yours. Go to Community Settings and select Customization. Here, you can personalize your community with branded colors, custom cover photos, and sidebar icons. You can even enable dark or light mode options for members. Create channels, which are like discussion rooms, choosing between a feed style for continuous posts or a chat style for real-time conversations. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop feature to reorder your access groups and sidebar navigation for optimal user experience. To keep your community vibrant, actively engage your members. Set up challenges to motivate participation, such as a 30-day habit-building challenge. Host live meetups and video calls directly within your community, and utilize the Smart Recording Library to store sessions for later viewing. Encourage new members with personalized welcome messages and introductory posts. Foster discussions with interactive polls and surveys, and always invite user-generated content. These strategies will help cultivate a dynamic and supportive environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.